Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to mastering your stainless steel pan. These kitchen workhorses are fantastic for searing, sautéing, and achieving that beautiful caramelization on your food. They heat up evenly and hold that heat incredibly well, making them a top choice for many professional chefs and home cooks alike. Understanding just a few simple techniques can completely transform your cooking experience with them, making every meal more enjoyable. Let's unlock their full potential together. The true secret to successful, non-stick cooking with stainless steel starts with proper preheating. Place your pan on a burner over medium heat, letting it warm up gradually for about 3 to 5 minutes. You want the pan to be evenly hot across its entire surface before adding any oil. A simple water test, where drops of water form tiny mercury-like beads that dance around, can show you exactly when it's perfectly ready. Once your pan is perfectly preheated, it's time to add your cooking oil. Swirl it around, coating the entire surface, and wait for it to just begin shimmering or gently ripple. That's your visual cue that the oil is hot enough. Now, gently add your food, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Giving your ingredients enough space allows them to sear beautifully and develop a delicious crust, rather than just steaming. When you place food in a hot stainless steel pan, it will initially stick. This is completely normal. Resist the urge to move it right away. Give it a moment to cook and develop a beautiful, browned crust. As the food browns, it will naturally release from the pan's surface, often with just a gentle nudge from your spatula. This stick and release phenomenon is exactly what creates that delicious, crispy exterior and rich flavor, elevating your dish. After you've enjoyed your delicious meal, proper cleaning ensures your pan lasts for years and performs beautifully. Always let your stainless steel pan cool down completely before washing it. Hot water and a good dish soap will usually take care of any mess you encounter. For those more stubborn, stuck-on bits, a little bit of Barkeeper's Friend and a non-abrasive sponge can make your pan look brand new again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.